Hi guys, welcome to Tech Journey. Today's video we are going to learn about palindrome. A palindrome is a word or phrase that reads the same way backward and forward. For example, we have a string mom and if you reverse or flip the string you should get the same value. So there are three ways we can do programming for this. First one using built-in function, the second one using for loop, the third one using two-pointer approach. So now we are going to do first method. Now I am going to write the simple program for it. I am just declaring a function is palindrome, just naming as a is palindrome. And I am providing string as an argument. Then I'm going to split the string so that I'll get the each and every single character as an array, and then I'm going to reverse using reverse keyword. Then I'm going to join it. So I have written the simple program. Now let's console it. So let's give first MOM as discussed, and let's save and run. You see, we are getting true value because the original value of a string and the reversed value of the string should be the same. Now I'm going to give the another one which is test, and I'm just giving, and I have saved it. Now I'm going to run. Now if you see, it is getting false because TEST, if you reverse it we will get TSET. So the value is wrong. So this is the one approach. The second approach using for loop, the traditional method. Is palindrome for, and as usual I am giving string as an argument. Now I am going to store the reverse value into a variable. So I'm just to declare the let reverse variable, and I'm going to write the reverse program to find whether it is a palindrome or not using for. Let I equal to string dot length minus 1 and I greater than 0 or equal to 0, I plus plus. So I tell you why I have given as a I as a string length minus 1, which means in this case if I am giving MOM, so I'm just taking the I'm starting from the last element of the array, which is array of 2, which is m. It will start from the reverse order. So I will store it in the reverse variable called reverse as str of I. If string equal reverse value, then you should return true. Otherwise, it should return false. Now let's save and run the second method. I have saved. Now I'm going to run the program. Now if you see, yes, I made a small mistake because we have to decrement. So what I did, I just incremented. So now if you increment, it will start like array of 3, 4, 5. So it is an invalid statement. So I'm just going to decrement. Now let's see. Now if you see, the second value also it is true, and I'm going to give as a test, it should give false. The first one, which is this first function, which is throwing true. The second one, it is throwing false. Now we are going to talk about the third method. So we are going to do about two-point approach. So we should know before going to this what is two-pointer approach. Here if you see, the array is traversing from the right to left and one by one using str of I. Only one pointer we are using, and we are traversing entirely from the from the reversed order. Only one pointer we are using, but in this program we are going to use two pointer, which is we are going to check the right side and the left side, both the sides, and then we are comparing the value whether it is same or not. So this is the two pointer approach. Array dot length -1. So till then what? Let me explain the two-pointer approach using this image. So left is 0 and the string of left, the value is m, and the right value is 2 and the string of right value is m. So when we compare the first and the last element, which is m equal to m, the condition is true. Then once the condition is true, left is incremented by 1. Now the left is 1 and right decremented by 1. Now the right is become 1. So when we compare O and O, it is become true. After that the loop ends, it will become false. So I hope this is clear. Now we have written the entire program. Let's console it. Let's save and run. Yes, as we expected, we are getting the true value. Now I am changing the input value, which is test. We are expecting false as a value. Yes, we are getting the false as a result. If you like this video, share, comment and subscribe.